as we host this here in our new Erin campus, for our own students to be listening to this range of speaker and that level of speaker, it really does influence them, helps them, at the beginning of their journey in education, get inspired really, and then hopefully as they go through Southwest College over the coming years, get a career and build a career in the whole green area and sustainability.
So we're here in the Erin campus today. It's the world's first Passive House premium building, and we were involved in this as the Passive House certifiers. And really what we're seeing here is an amazing example of a really high performance building that uses very little energy. And the fact that it's a university building means that all the kids coming here, all the undergrads, can really enjoy an exemplary energy performance. So it's all about energy efficiency, comfort and indoor air quality. And the fact that you're having a high performance building event in a high performance building is even more convincing. So I think it's just an absolutely perfect event. I'm delighted to be here.
Ever since the day in our we opened, Barry had planned that he would have one of the conferences here. And it's just such a big achievement to have people from New Zealand, Australia, Portugal, Spain, Ireland itself, UK, all coming together for their International Passive House Bootcamp and combine it then with the Sustainability Conference. It's just all worked really well together.
We should all say loudly that the Erin campus has this tremendous accreditation. It has this Passive House premium rating, largest building in the world. So it's something to be very proud of. And I think from a council point of view, I want to say that in terms of our existing buildings, our future build, how to achieve energy efficiency, we have a lot to learn by being here.
For being a part of the conference, it's been kind of a good learning experience for me. Like seeing the previous generations setting up a road for the younger generations to follow and reduce our energy usage, it's kind of invigorating and makes me hopeful for our energy usage in the future and our climate. So it's been good to be here and be a part of it.
I'm delighted to be asked, and it's always lovely to give a viewpoint and everything. And I suppose I'm well placed. I've been in motoring for the last, for more than a decade at this stage, and there's been huge changes. So it's nice to kind of share that knowledge with people. So I suppose the focus today is more on electric vehicles. There is more to that than decarbonisation of transport, but at the same time, it'll be looking really predominantly today at those sort of challenges.
So we run the international stakeholder network of Passive House professionals and people who just happen to be interested in it, whether they're from the media or policymakers or also Passive House owners. So community is really important, and it's really nice to see everybody again, as Carl said. It's always positive, and to kind of get that enthusiasm back and the momentum to continue advocating for Passive House locally.
For the International Passive House Association, this is a huge event for them, and as me as chair of the host affiliate, the Passive House Association of Ireland, it's been a really good opportunity for us. We're in existence 13 years. There's 27 affiliates within that organisation, and we have representation from 26 of the 27, which is just great. And there was a real pent-up demand amongst the community to get together in person. So having everybody here, having this convergence of people is leading to really good things happening, and maybe in years to come, new buildings that will have been a direct result or an indirect result of this event.